You recording? Yeah. Okay, hold on.
Okay, when you go in the house,
Sick! Look at that.
Hey, when you go in the house,
hey, that rug stayed there.
Happy.
Yeah.
When you go in the house, you're not supposed to be breathing, and I want to go upstairs. Don't hold your breath as long as you can. You go first. I ain't going first. Disgusting. Go in.
Thanks. Hold on.
Look at the mold. I don't know if those are safe to go up.
No, don't
Steve
even
went up there.
try.
Steve went up there.
You did?
See something?
Oh my god.
These footprints.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing here. This is sick. Oh my god, this is gross.
I want to see that.
Holy shit. Oh my god, dude, this is bowed up right here.
I know.
Go! I'm just kind of scared, like, oh my god. Sick. Can we go in here? Oh.
Oh. There's sewage that backed up into the toilet.
Oh.
Don't touch the walls with your arms.
I didn't.
Careful.
I didn't touch it.
Look at my room.
Hey, look, my pop is still sitting there. Look at that.
Look at my nose is itching.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh.
I'm not going in there. Don't go in there.
Oh my god.